Import in Setup. Import your clip into After Effects. Drag it to the timeline to create your main composition. Freeze frame for mass transition. Take your third transition layer and duplicate it. Place this duplicate in the middle of the timeline. Right-click, Time, Freeze Frame. Delete your intro layer and main layer from the comp. Select the freeze frame layer. Render it as a PNG sequence. Clean up Open Chrome. Search Pixel Cut AI Subject Remover. Upload the PNG freeze frame you just rendered. Use the brush tool to remove the subject until the background looks clean. Download it, import that clean PNG back into After Effects above the freeze frame layer. Delete the old freeze frame layer. Again, go to Pixel Cut AI, upload the same PNG, this time remove the background only, download and import it into AE. Now you have both ready, a clean background, a subject cutout. Start creating masks on the subject layer. Example, mask the head first. Duplicate the layer, delete the old mask, create a new mask. Keep repeating this process in sync with the beat. Drag and arrange all the layers below. Duplicate your first mask layer, split it, apply fill effect, white to it. On your main video layer, add Twixtor for smooth slow motion, Zoom effect, scale plus motion blur for impact. You can also use S_blurmo curves. Add your color correction, CC, for a cinematic look. At the end, apply a shake transition for extra impact.